In a recent class I taught, I asked participants, how much of their sensory data do most people actually recognize? Is it 20%, 10%, 5%, or even less than 1%? Only few believed it could be less than 1%, but that's the reality. The truth is, most people only recognize less than 1% of their sensory data, yet they are profoundly impacted by it in every aspect of their lives. This includes forming healthy relationships and achieving positive business outcomes. One crucial skill that can greatly enhance a leader's emotional intelligence is somatic awareness. Somatic awareness specifically boosts self awareness and self regulation. The good news is that this skill is entirely learnable through practice and curiosity. If you're interested in tapping into the power of somatic awareness, I invite you to join me for a free midday webinar next week called Somatic Awareness Whole Body Leadership Strategies for Beginners. Register now by clicking the link below. I'm excited to have you there and look forward to seeing you.